Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Hi, how are you? Miss hope all of you are in good condition now. Amin. Okay, today we will learn together about our topic today. The topic is living thing and the environment. In this occasion, we would talk about amazing birds. But before we start, we would like to know about living thing. We have to know that living thing need air, food, water, warmth, and place to live. And then Miss will show a video about birds. Check it out. Here are the amazing birds: eagle, emperor penguin, and swift. Eagle is bird of prey. Why it called bird of prey? Because eagle can hunt and kill the prey. Yeah. And then emperor penguin. Emperor penguin is the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species. It is 45-inch tall. And then the swift. Swift is similar to swallow, or we call burung walet. Next, we will discuss one by one. The first is eagle. The characteristic of eagle's body. The first, eagle has sharp eyes for hunting. Yeah. And then eagle also has powerful wings for lifting prey. You know lifting? Ya, mengangkat mangsanya. And then eagle also has sharp talons for holding and tearing at flesh. Mempunyai cakar yang bisa untuk memegang dan merobek ya daging mangsanya seperti itu. Next, penguin. Now we talk about penguin. Yeah, here are the characteristic of penguin's body. Penguin has thick feathers to keep in body heat. Yeah, it's so thick ya. The feathers are so thick. And then The penguin also has webbed feet for swimming. Look at the feet. Yeah, penguin can swim, right? Yeah, and then penguin also has sharp bill for catching fish. Now look, the bill is same with beak, yeah. And then penguin also has eyes. The eyes are sharp for hunting fish. And then the last is swift. Swift has sharp eyes for hunting, and then it also has shaped beak for catching insect. Next, the swift also has smooth body shape for high speed. Then swift also has wings tucked in for high speed too. Yeah. And then this is our conclusion today about amazing bird. This bird live in very different places. We have discussed about 3 kinds of bird: eagle, and then penguin and swift. They have different places, and then each bird's body is adapted to help them survive in their habitat, or we call place to live. Yeah, the habitat is the local environment that they live in, like this. That's all for today's material. Hope you can understand well about the material. If you have any question, please ask to Miss Widya. See you soon and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.